everyone. My name is John Gronsky. I am here in Polk County, Florida, conducting my 2-day Iron-Sharpened Leadership and Resiliency Workshop. And I've got a great law enforcement officer with me here. His name is Marvin White. Marvin has been just fantastically engaged during the training. I'm going to turn it over to Marvin, and he's going to tell you what he's getting out of the training and what he could apply in his work as a leader in law enforcement. So, hey Marvin, let me turn it over to you, and it's all yours, buddy.
Hi, I'm Marvin White, and I'm participating in John Gronsky's Leadership Academy. Me being a new supervisor, this information is critical for me due to the fact that it will help me increase my ability to lead, influence, and help the organization grow.